I mean, I agree with him. Eren has lost it. Who did you bang, girl? Hi guys, I am Lindsay. You can call me Ari. And I'm super stoked for this video because this means more of Attack on Titan. So if you're watching this, hi friend. You're a fellow Attack on Titaner. That's probably not what you call them. Do we have like a fandom for people that like Attack on Titan? It's crazy people, I guess, because they like insane plot with lots of blood, gore, and twists and turns you never expect. Well, at least we're here, and we're here for it together. And actually, here's a little fun secret. I might do a Mikasa cosplay. I feel like I should do that. Anyway, move on. I did not say that. So if you heard that, check out my socials, because maybe it's already done by the time you watch this video. But if you guys are doing good, I am. And in the previous episode, it was a bit more information filled. We saw Jelena, and all of the other like Marlins, aliens that like change their sides, if you could say, or something like that, because they were invading the island with different kind of ships, and then Eren basically stormed into the ocean, became a Titan, and just went feral. Over 4,000 soldiers had been taken captive. I don't know if they've killed them all or what they have done with all of them. We also saw Sasha's funeral, or her grave at least, and it was really sad. And now we're getting to see a little bit more what happened in the years between when they realize that there's a wall and there's an ocean and there's another place. And Zeke is now put into the forest and Gabby's there, so there's a lot of people, a lot of loose threads, but that makes me even more excited to see what's gonna happen in this episode. I did cry in the previous episodes. I have some marks on my face, perhaps from the makeup staining. And I feel like I read your comments and you guys are like, oh, she's not ready for what's coming up in season 4, and I'm just like, damn. Season 3, ending of season 3 killed me. I think I cried continuously for 4 episodes or something, but I probably cried like 70% of the show was just tears and heartbreak, and it was beautiful but also really painful. So here I am throwing myself at season 4, and I was just checking how many episodes there are, and I'm so like a bit sad because I'm so far in, and this show is like one time, like a lifetime experience. I can't, it's just so good. That's what I'm trying to say, that when I'm finishing now, I'm just like, oh no, I'm getting closer to finishing it off, and I don't really like finishing things, because same with books or movies, I get sad when things come to an end. Even if it's a good ending or I'm satisfied with everything, I'm just like, oh damn, that first time watch really hits different. So yeah, here I am. One step closer to finishing, one step closer to sadness, and one step closer to chaos. But I am ready, and I hope you guys are too. So let's just watch yet another episode of Attack on Titan. If you want to subscribe to our Patreon, you will find uncut early access to currently ongoing watching animes on this channel, alongside with full uncut edited episodes from the previous ones on this channel. I'm also watching exclusively on Patreon. I'm currently watching Spy Family. Eren has become wild.
何してるの？鏡に向かって話しかけてたの？ねえ、戦え、戦えって。ねえ、戦え、戦えって言ってたんだよね。戦え、戦えって2回言ったってことは、2回戦があるのかな？黙ってちゃわからないよ。普通はそんな一人で喋ったりはしないと思うんだ。その髪型、かっこいいと思うよ、私は。ちょっと乱れてる感じなんか、頑張って無造作に見えるような努力が伝わって、私の一方的な話を君。
Isn't this Eren? He is so different. I didn't even recognize him. Bro. A sound argument. Episode 69. Whoop whoop. 2 years ago. I don't like it that we see a bit behind.
1年前君に船ごと担ぎ上げられて以来ですね。これからよろしくお願いします。
いや、今後もお前らとの接触はない。顔を見せたのは最大限
Look
の
how tall he's become.
それで十分です。今日はめでたい日になる。パラディ島唯一の友好国、ヒーズル国。その特使。
I remember her. Do you remember when that one kid spilled on her? And she was like, no, it's okay, don't worry about it. And she pretended she spilled on herself. And then when he was gonna hold a speech, he ran away.
この家紋に見覚えはございませんか？
Ackerman?
これは
見せるんだミカサ。
でもこれはお母さんが秘密にしてろって。この印は
What?
死んだ母の一族から受け継いできたものです。
I knew
なん
it.
とけなげなことでしょう。およそ100年以上前、東人家の御親にあたる我が将軍家子息はフリッツ王家と婚姻にしており、このパラディ島に投留しておられたのです。
What?
その混乱の最中、将軍家の忘れがたみはこの島に取り残されたのです。
Oh, look at them all crying.
あなたは我々が失った一国の主の末
What?
ヒーズル国の希望です。
そもそも国ってのがまだよくわからんな。とにかくヒーズルが利用できるなら何でもするんだ。いや、それこそ奴らの思うツボだろう。一つ確か
I get that they're being a bit hard to like convince because
世界においてよちよち歩きを始めた赤ん坊に過ぎ
I was just gonna say sorry. What am I saying sorry to? I get that they're a bit hard to like let other people in. Imagine they've been kept like in a freaking island, disassociated from the rest of the world. I get that they're being a bit like this. I totally get that, and I would probably be myself. But it's like Pix is saying, we're just now learning everything. Like there's so much more that we really don't know. We thought we knew the world, we don't know anything. Can you imagine if that happened to us? Like, oh, this is just like a little ball inside of a bigger planet, and they're all just watching over us.
だって手首の包帯誰にも見せなかったじゃない。これはその
なんか嬉しそうだな。
ミカサが一緒ならこんなに頼もしい人いないよ。
Bless her. He really cares for Sora. It's wild.
で歴史的な日です。この日を迎えられたのは私たちを引き合わせてくれたジーク・イエーガーの存在が不可欠でした。私どもは彼と密会し、ミカサ様への取り次ぎを条件にある取り計らいに賛同しましたことを報告させていただきます。
この立体起動装置はパラディ島で開発された巨人を殺す兵器です。私が個人的に調達したものですのでご安心を。こちらを差し上げます。それを彼らは氷瀑石と呼んでいました。未だパラディ島以外では採掘されたことがない未知の地下資源です。
ジーク・イエーガーは自分の計画に協力するなら傾いた国家が大国に返り咲くほどの産業を手にするでしょうと提案してきたのです。ですがそれが事実なら、この近代化の時代において金銀財宝に等しい資源が眠っておられるのです。
アズマ人は金の匂いに鋭いから交渉はうまくいくってイエレナが言ってたな。
やはり儲け話もなしにこの島に来る危険は冒せんというわけじゃな。
That makes sense. They're only here for money.
ジーク・エーガーとの取り計らいとは一体何でしょうか。
They're
ご
gonna take
存知の
Mikasa?
通り、ジーク・イエーガーは秘策があると主張し、こちらは地ならしでこの島を守るために必要な3つの過程です。まず1つ目は地ならしの実験的活用。その力の一部を公開し、世界に破壊力を見せつけるのです。そしてその期間における始祖および王家の血を引く巨人両者の継続的な維持。これが3つ目の過程。
Bro.
ジークは獣の巨人を王家の血を引く者へと継承。
他の兵器が発達しても地ならしは強力な兵器だ。手放すことができなければ何世代にもわたり継承は繰り返されていく。
わかりました。私は獣の巨人の継承を受け入れます。地ならしが我々の存続に不可欠である以上は。ヒストリア。
壁を破壊し蹂躙された挙句、家畜みてえに子供を産まされ殺されて、やっと生きることが許されるっていうの
This is
だ。
so complicated now.
俺はジーク・イエーガーの計画は到底受け入れられません。
君と焦燥感を共にしたつもりだった。でも君がなぜ単独行動に出てこの島を危機に追い込んだのかがわからない。もうヒストリアはどうなってもよかったのかい？
俺は潜水の巨人を食いました。
No,
こ
she
の
doesn't
巨
know.
人の能力は地面から自在に硬質化を操り、武器でも
I am so sorry, but Eren looks mighty freaking hot right now. I think it's because he's become an adult, like a proper one. And like this look is looking good, but he still is a bit mad, isn't he?
当然思想を持つ俺を殺すこともできない。 いくら脅したところでジークを殺すわけにもいかない。つまり、ハンジさん。
Why are you being so rude, though? Look at him. Eren!
教えてくださいよ、ハンジさん。他のやり方があったら。
Okay, calm down. Are you okay?
エレンのエッチいまだに反抗期かよバカ若者
What the hell? Piss me off, bro.
エルヴィン、あんたの唯一の失策だ。なんで私なんか団長にしたんだよ。
中に入ろう、ヒストリア。もっと体をいたわらないと。
Huh? Who is your... Whoa, 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 whoa. A small eastern nation with its own unique culture, whose head of state is called Shogun. Producing many talented engineers, Hizuru has flourished in weapons and aircraft development and was at one time an ally of the Eldian Empire. The crest of the Shogun. 3 single-edged swords is that Asian. Yeah. And there's this... Yeah. Bro, what is happening with Eden? Why is he acting so rebellious? It's pissing me off.
やっぱり俺たちの定義通り、ジークは島に着くなり巨人にしたヒストリア女王に食わせるべきだったんだ。ガキをおこしらえ遊ばされるただ。所詮は下船の身に過ぎない名ばかりの女王様ってことだ。おい。
Wait, did she sleep with Zeke?
同じ地で生まれた青年だ。
Who is the guy?
幼少期は女王に石を投げつけていたらしい。
Who is the guy?
待って欲しかったようだ。
Who did you bang, girl?
何年も顔を伏せたまま下働きを務める彼に気づいたのは女王の方からだ。
誰かが助言したんだ。妊娠しちまえば巨人にされずに済むと。家で何違いない。あの女は一番イカれていて頭が切れる危険なやつだからな。今ならまだ間に合う。身をもだろうと巨人にしちまえば。
Okay, calm
お腹の
down.
子は死ぬだろうな。何より女王の身に何かあればおしまいだ。ただでさえ出産は命の危険が伴うというのに。
Who is the father? I want to know.
もう一本持ってこい、マネージ。かしこま
Look how they treat... This is wild. They've reversed the roles. Look how they're treating Marlians. Like Marlians are treating Eldians back at their place. This is insane. So many parallels are happening. I don't feel at ease at all. This is terrible. There's so much justice stuff happening right now.
これは俺たちがやらなきゃいけないことなのか。いや、やらなくていいことだ。
あのバカがあんなことを言い出さなければな。それで地ならしに頼らずヒストリアが辛い目に遭わなくて済むんなら、藁でもすがるしかねえよ。
They're building train tracks.
いやー、この暑い中ご苦労様だよ。
いや、俺たちはこのバカの護衛で仕方なく。
たった今、アズマ人から返事が来た。
それで
ダメだった。ヒーゼル国は取り付く島もないようだ。やはりヒーゼルはパラディ島の資源を
No way. Monopolize. Crazy.
それが国々の団結を促し、世界の安定を担保するからだ。
俺たちは地ならしに頼るしかなくて、ヒストリアの犠牲は避けられないってことですか。
そうなる。
どうしてみんなが平和になる道を考えられないんだ。
Ottoman. It was like Ottoman.
それはわからないからだと思う。
だから会いに行こう。わからないものがあれば理解しに行けばいい。
マーレに拠点を設けて
Is that easy?
入港。
ハンジさん、そんなこと考えてたんですね。そこで本場のマーレ料理に舌包みを。
俺何持っていこう。腹を下したら大変だよな。
僕たちが平和を望んでいることを世界が知れば何かが変わるかもしれない。
もう少し時間があればな。俺の寿命は5年とあと少ししかね。
Damn.
そろそろ決めなきゃいけない。
私が引き継ぐ。
お前じゃダメだろ。アッカーマン家が何なのか
True.
ま
I
だ
was
分
just
かっ
gonna
て
say,
ね
but
え
you
んだ。
guys know because the
何
Ackerman
をヒー
can't
ズル
get
と
the
いろいろやっ
memories
てこってやつが。
like King Fritz wanted them to think of. So, because you remember when Kenny, something with Kenny happened. I don't remember exactly what it was. Correct me if I'm wrong. That the Ackermans couldn't be altered in their memories, and they like the Titan power couldn't like alter the memories. So maybe if she takes it, she won't remember everything they have been told some. There is something with the Ackermans and Titans for sure. Something about their blood.
多すぎんだよ。
じゃあ他に誰が？
俺だ。まず俺はエレンよりはるかに頭がいい。
I kind of agree with him. He's
立
a
ち
bit
狂って死
smarter.
に急ぐようなこともなく、いついかなる状況でも優れた判断力。
I actually do agree with John. Sorry, but he's probably a good one to be. He has
そ
to
ん
be
な
this
す
one.
げえやつを13年でミスミス死なすわけにいかねえだろ。アホか。
あ？
お前は兵団の指導者とか目指す。
True. You're just 13 years.
コニー。
よくないですよ。あなた
You're
は
an
バカなんですよ。
え？
じゃなくて、バカにそんな重要なこと。
Oh, it's just like roast me evening.
よだけなもう。私が継ぎますよ。実践経験もあって、信頼できるのも私たちくらいなら。
I mean, you eat everything.
私しかいないじゃないですか。
いや、だからバカには任せられないってお前が言ったんだ。お前は俺よりもバカなんだから、お前。
Connie.
俺はお前らに継承させるつもりはない。
I'm dead.
なんでだ？
お前らが大事だからだ。
You're gonna be dead, so it doesn't really matter.
だから。
Okay, fair. He has like wishes for them, I guess. Armin is also dead though. Like Mikasa should inherit. No, she's second round. I mean, she doesn't have anything to live for when they both die. Armin is dying soon, and Eren even sooner. So like, just such a hard, weird situation. Cannot find a way to live with the Titans longer.
じゃん、夕日のせいだよ。みんな赤くなってるからさ。
そうか。夕日なら仕方ねえよね。
Oh. Oh, this is so pretty.
義勇兵の拘束か。まさかピクス司令がそんな強硬策に出るとはな。
調査兵団は彼らと距離が近いから事前に知らされなかったらしい。
ジークの思惑が確定していない以上、俺たちは危険な状態。
Damn, Mikasa looks so out of it. Poor little thing.
ジークと接触して何を話したのかは真相は本人たちにしか
I
わ
wanna
か
see
らな
that
い。
talk.
なあ、お前らにはあれが
I
エレンに
agree.
見えたか。
He doesn't look like Eren
俺は
anymore.
違うと思う。俺たち
To
は
protect him.
奴を切る覚悟をしておく必要がある。
そんなことさせない。
お前もそっちにつくのかよ、ミカサ。
そんなことにはならないと思う。エレンは誰よりも私たちを思っている。みんなも分かっているはず。きっとその思いが強すぎたから。
それは違うぞ。
He does care though.
かつてのあいつはいくらお前が強くても前線から遠ざけようとするやつだった。あいつが大事だと言った俺もコニーもサシャもだ。
それは私たちが信頼されてるから。実際私たちが行かなければ何もできなかった。
サシャが死ぬこともなかっただろうな。
Oh.
笑いやがった。
He did laugh, didn't he?
一体何がそんなにおかしかったんだろうな。
I mean, I agree with him. Eren has lost it.
にしてくれよ、ミカサ。なんでエレンは笑ったのか。エレンのことは何でもわかるんだろう。
Oh. I'm sorry, but I'm actually agreeing with Kanye on this side.
話し合ってどうする？もしジークと同じ目的だったら。
巨人化の薬を入手した兵団には選択肢がある。信頼できる他の誰かを巨人にしてエレンの始祖を継承する選択だ。継承する選択だ。
That's what he said. I was just making sure that it's actually what they said. Though Eren is so different. It's actually scary. There's something in that wine. I'm pretty sure something has gone. Bro, why you gotta tease me like that, huh? Oh man. Is there anything else? Preview, okay. Woo! There's a lot of things going on. This was like another calm, information-filled episode. I don't know if I'm liking where this is going with Eren. He's becoming this person that's very unlikable. Like, I love Eren and all, but the show is doing a really good job of showing the bad side of him, like what happened before they invaded the Marlians. And I'm excited to see what his plan was with Zeke. It's sad to see, like, I love Mikasa, don't get me wrong, but she doesn't do anything besides Eren. Like, she's not her own person. Like, I love her, and I know you guys love her, and I might be getting a lot of hate for saying this, but she is not her own person. She's living for him. And it's so sad because she should be able to do things on her own. Like, she's just like a dog to Eren. And she will always be a dog to Eren. So I'm wondering if she can do anything beside him. I wonder if she has any will in herself. And it's pissing me off a little bit. She's such a strong, fierce woman. And she's just so addicted to this person. And this person, yes, he's a good person. They grew up and they're basically like family. But she should, in a good friendship or a romance or whatever it may be, a partnership, one should be able to tell someone things are getting off, but she would never tell him. Armin is always the one who got to step up and talk to him. And I don't know, like, in this episode, I actually respected Connie for the way he talked to Mikasa, because I'm sorry, but he laughed when Sasha died. It might be a defense mechanism, it might be, who knows, but Eren has lost his mind, and Connie is speaking the truth. And a lot of people are losing their minds, a lot of things and conjectures, things happening at the same time. So I get that the whole thing is just big slump of chaos. But I like where this is going, because it is causing a lot of like controversy inside of my brain, or like my heart. I'm just having like opposites fight, and I can see everybody's point of view and I can understand them, but do I agree with them? Not necessarily. Good. I'm excited for the next episode, and I hope you guys are too. I hope you enjoyed watching that episode with me. I appreciate you. And if you want to see the full uncut access, you can do that on my Patreon. And if not, I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys very soon for the next video of Attack on Titan. I squish you.